Anybody out there wondering where the mommy rocket is right now? After she leave World Championships with her medals? Well, it just turns out that today, mommy rocket was in England at Wembley Stadium, watching the women's football match and enjoying herself. Cooling out a little bit, after the stress of World Championships and all that running up and down. She seems to be enjoying herself. And what a place to do it! At Wembley Stadium, watching a football final. Go on, mommy rocket, enjoy your well-deserved break, cause we know you're soon gone back on the track with all them Diamond League meets and all them things coming up. Looking forward to seeing you back on the tracks again when you're ready. Bless up.